Hey, what's up, guys? So, finally, I got my PlayStation 5 delivered to me basically a day after. And just to give you guys a little backstory, it was supposed to come yesterday around like 3 p.m., but then basically FedEx decided to not give it to me yesterday. And I received it today for some reason at 11 a.m. I don't know what it was, but I finally got my PlayStation 5. So, I don't know, man. Honestly, I'm just so lost of words right now because this is the system I've been waiting for, and I don't know, man. This is so unreal. Like, if you guys are seeing the back of the box right now, the lightning speed, the SSD, the CPU, blah blah blah, with the custom and everything. Yeah, breathtaking immersion, stunning games. I mean, honestly, this is so surreal that I have the PlayStation 5 with me. Honestly, I've been dreaming about the day to unbox it, and finally we're going to do this. So I got my knife there, just trying to unbox this bad boy up. And yeah, man, I mean, it's so surreal that I actually have the PlayStation 5 and that I actually got to pre-order it back in September. I think it was 16, the day before, when all that chaos happened. So yeah, I mean, I have the PlayStation with me, and honestly, I cannot be more excited than what I am right now, just to see what's inside the box. So yeah, I'm just opening basically the box right here, and I don't know, I'm just trying to keep calm as much as I can, and I'm getting a little bit nervous, trying to unbox this. I don't know, it's just this piece of hardware so gentle. And yeah, so we opened it up. We got the cable right there. The stupid manuals, that nobody in the world is going to read, not me. We got the cable, the power cord, and yeah, just a standard power cord is not that big of a deal. But the main event, in my opinion, the controller. I mean, honestly, me picking up that controller for the first time, you guys are seeing it right now, me holding it for the first time, honestly, it was a surreal experience. Honestly, compared to the DualShock 4, this is a big improvement, a massive improvement, and it's just honestly one of the best controllers I've held in my life, actually. And that's my wife right there trying to test the trigger out, and she actually says that she loves the controller a lot compared to the PS4. She loves this controller way more than the PS4 controller. She likes it a lot. She actually likes the white and the black. She feels this controller, it feels premium because the quality build is way better. It's a little bit more rougher than the PS4 controller. The PS4 controller is a little bit more slippery, in my opinion. This one, it feels a little bit more like a grip. And then now we have the stand, and I had like a little bit of trouble trying to open the to see where I can get can take the stand out. For some reason, the little plastic thing was just too together, but I finally got it out. And yeah, just a standard stand, not big of a deal. It's not the best looking stand, it's not the most premium stand, but it will do. Instead of me wasting $20 on a stand, PlayStation included one, so that's nice. That's the 2.1 HDMI cable. It's not as long as I wanted to because I'm trying to connect it to my OLED TV and put my PlayStation on the side, so that's a kind of disappointing. I might have to buy a cable for myself, but it's fine. It's just a standard 2.1 HDMI cable. And now the main event, actually, trying to take this PlayStation out as gently as possible. I honestly did not want to just drop it or just nick it. Just, oh my god, I don't know. It's just me at that moment. My heart was racing, just to see the beauty of the new PlayStation. And actually, to be honest with you guys, I love the design of the new PlayStation. And but yeah, I'm just right there, a little bit nervous to take it out. And honestly, to be honest with you guys, that PlayStation is surprisingly incredibly heavy. Compared to what I was thinking in my mind it was going to be, it is pretty heavy. I don't know what it was, but when I got the box, right? When I hold the box for the first time, the Target box that came in, it was heavy, but not that much. But holding it up right now, it's actually a pretty heavy console. But I like it like that. And my wife was just touching the boards of the borders of the PlayStation, and it has that little texture on it that it just feels premium. It looks premium, and that's the only thing I probably don't like about the PlayStation is the black thing, the glossy black. If it was matte black, then it will be perfect. Because I really don't want to clean it all the time, and because it's very fingerprint magnet, I guess. But yeah, I mean, here we are in the back of the PlayStation, the two USB 3.1 connections, the HDMI, the Ethernet, and the power supply thing. So yeah, I mean, it's a pretty nice looking PlayStation. The textures inside, you see the Sony logo over there. And yeah, I don't know what to say about this console. It's like, I'm just trying to basically talk around here, but I just don't know what else to say. I'm just starstruck with this console. It's a beautiful looking console. It's not that thick as I thought it was going to be. It's actually pretty thin but it's just a giant ass console. But yeah, guys, that's basically the unboxing of this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Right now, I am actually going to, after I post this video, I'm going to stream Miles Morales in 4K. So if you guys want to see that, then of course hit the subscribe button, like this video, and support the channel. That's basically the best way you guys can do it. I'm going to pump out so much content now that the PS5 is out, and I honestly just want to say thank you to all of you guys who have supported the channel since day one. And it's because of you guys that this is possible and that I wanted to get this PS5 day one. So thank you so much, and just like the video, subscribe to my channel, and just wait probably like an hour and I'm going to start streaming Miles Morales in 4K. So stay tuned for that. Stay positive, stay safe, keep playing, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for being the best supporters.